How to download games on laptop for free. Let's get started. Now, to download the games on laptop for free, you have to download them from the Microsoft Store. So first of all, open up Microsoft Store in your laptop. After you open it up, you have to make sure that you are logged in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in and you get to home page, if you scroll down a bit, there you will get top free games. Now, if you click on this option, you will land in this game page where you can view various type of free games that you can download from Microsoft Store. For example, I want to download this game right here that says Downzip. Click on it. After that, you can view its further information about this game if you scroll down a bit. Now, to download it, simply you have to click on this Get option. After you do that, depending upon your internet connection in your laptop, it will get some time to get downloaded and installed in your laptop. After that, you can open up this game and enjoy playing your game on laptop. So that's the way to download the free games on laptop, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.